Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures, and I just want to say y'all made 2023 one heck of a year. You guys came out and supported local. You really showed what community love and what the community vibes here in Panama City and in the Panhandle were all about. We're forever thankful and grateful for your guys' support. And we have some big things planned for 2024, and we can't wait to see you guys out here at the market. As always, check us out at anchoredmarketventures.com, and we can't wait to see you at your local market. Thanks, y'all.